we all live in many different types of houses. Now, whichever type of house you live in, you try to make it as comfortable as you can, isn't it? Now, we also eat a variety of food, and not only us, all our friends eat a variety of food. Now, we all go to school, isn't it? So, all the kids around you go to school. It's not a very special thing. Everybody gets education. And we all wear a variety of clothes. Now, not only us, all our friends have the same type of lifestyle. And when we are at home, there are people who take care of us. That is, our families. They take care of us, whether we are hungry or not, whether we are feeling well or not. So, we have so many people around us who take care of us. So, we have a good house, we have good food, we have good clothes, and we have people who take care of us. Now, this can be a very common thing for us, and we take these things for granted because not only us, all our friends have a similar lifestyle. But there are many people on the streets who do not have such a lifestyle. They do not have a good place to live or good food to eat, and they actually live on the streets. Whenever you go to school or you go for marketing, you must have seen such people on the roadside. Now, who are these people? Well, these are homeless and needy people. They do not have homes or good food to eat or a good life, good education as we have. So these homeless and needy people usually live on the streets, and they live a very difficult life. Now, we regularly pass by them while going to school, while going to parties, while going to market. But do we do anything about them or for them? Well, what can we really do? That must be your question. We can do a number of things. We can share food with them. Well, we eat a variety of food. We usually have excess of food at our home, and we usually throw them away. But instead of throwing them away, we can share them with needy and homeless people because they cannot afford food like us. Also, we can educate them because these kids live on the streets. They cannot afford to go to schools or get proper education like us. So whenever we have free time, we can actually educate them. We can help them learn reading and writing, and also we can share our books with them because every year you go to a new class and you have a lot of old books. So you can share those with these street children because they do not have the opportunity to study in good schools and have education like you. So in this way, you can actually contribute to the society, and you can also share your clothes. There are so many older clothes which you do not wear, and what do you do with them? Well, eventually you throw them away. Instead of that, you can share these clothes with these children because they cannot afford even clothing. They are needy and homeless people. So you see, by doing some basic things like sharing food, educating them, sharing your old books and sharing your clothes, you can actually make their life much better. So what did you do exactly? Did you do something special? Not really. You are having the same food which you usually have. You are reading the same books which you usually do, and you are wearing the same clothes which you usually do. But still, you are able to make their lives better just by sharing these things with them. So it's very important that you share and make their lives a bit more comfortable because they are not as fortunate as us, and it's our responsibility to do whatever we can so that their lives can be a bit better. So can you tell me, the right way to deal with poor and needy people is by helping them to get educated, getting rid of them, or ignoring them? What do you think will be the right answer? Well, the right answer is by helping them to get educated, because once you help them to get educated, they can also lead a better life or an equal life just like us, because education is very important for all of us, and once they get education, it will help them lead a better life. Now I'll share with you the story of Narayanan Krishnan. Now he is a common man just like us, but he does some special work. Well, wherever he finds poor and needy people, he takes care of them. He feeds them, and if he thinks they need some type of help, some medical attention, he takes them with him, and he has made special home for such people where all these people are taken care of. So they are given a good bath, they are given good food, and they can stay there until they are able to get better jobs for themselves. So you see, what does Narayanan Krishnan do? Well, he just treats people like his equal. He does nothing special. Only thing is that he feeds them, he treats them with care and compassion, and with that, these people have a much better life. And the same thing can be done by us too. Well, we cannot have an organization like Narayanan Krishnan, but in our way or in a small way, we can actually go and help these street people. So whenever you see such needy and homeless people, you can go ahead and help them in any way you can, whether it is by sharing clothes or sharing your books or even sharing food. In this way, you can make their lives a lot better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.